Thibitari munene wa Kajiado ni ukinyukite ikinya na kurehe motungata ma urigitani wa maitho hakuhi na muingi kuria aikari marathiaga kũraya gwetha motungata mathibitari-ini ma kaunti cia Kiambu na Nairobi nĩguo kwamũkĩra urigitani. Riu ni mariamũkagĩra urigitani thibitari-ini uyu.
Our people will not go to other counties for such of eye service. We will be attended here in Kajiado.
For this project, is one of its kind in CBM. It's the largest in CBM and against the largest in Kenya.
Retana nĩ rĩikĩtio kũrĩ thirikari ya kaunti ĩno ya Kajiado gũtigĩrĩra nĩ yarehe arigitani aiganu nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra urigitani wa maitho ndũnahotoma.
We need to look into recruitment of more workforce. We need 4 extra ophthalmologists who, if well and appropriately placed in the county, it would mean that the distances to where our population are accessing services is reduced.
The more understaffed area is the eye care. We are going to give a lot of strength so that going to the future, even as we operationalize eye care services at our sub-county level, we will do it hand in hand with the human resource for health.
Njĩra cia kũhũrana na mĩrimũ ya maitho kaunti-inĩ ĩno nĩ ciĩkĩrĩirwo nĩguo kũnyihanyihia mĩrimũ ĩno ya maitho, aikari arĩa marĩ matũũra-inĩ makĩũrio kũhĩmbĩria ũtheru wa maitho nĩguo kũhũrana na mĩrimũ ĩno.
We will also work with the county in strengthening the inclusive education component in all Kajiado primary school so that those people who are born blind like me have an opportunity to attain education.
The same way we are keen on primary health care is the same way we are going to strengthen eye care services, not at the county referral hospital, but at least at the sub-county level.
There are many other eye diseases which may not require surgery or treatment from a hospital point of view, but they need attention at the community level. Primary health care is needed to address some of these things.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Wanjiru wa Marofo.